this video, we're going to show you how to log in to Temi Canter. Open your browser and go to center.robottemi.com and click the Login button. Open the Temi mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure it is updated to the latest version. If you're using an iPhone, go to More and select Temi Canter Login. If you're using an Android device, go to More and then select Temi Canter Login. At this point, use your phone to scan the QR code that appears on your computer screen, and that's it. You're in. For any questions on Temi Canter, be sure to reach out to our support team on the Temi app or on robottemi.com/support.